Good morning, sir. My name is George Benedict P. Kapampangan. So this is my exam for the prelim. So the first thing I do is to create a virtual machine. So since I've already created, I will show you how this will work. So the first thing when I was creating, uh, I will install later system later. Type I choose guest operating system Microsoft, then change the machine name. And then once I'm done, I go to the settings, uh, go to settings, then uh, click the CD DVD S SATA and browse. So this is since I already downloaded it, the server and the client. So I'm choosing this for the CS00. I choose Windows Server, and CSDC 01. I choose this, and CCSDC02. I also choose this. So let's open the CCSDC00. I will also open the CCSDC1 and 2. So I've already installed it, as you can see. So I'm typing the password for CCSDC00. So let's go for the server. The first thing I do is uh, go to the local server. Go to local server, then I go to my go to the internet. Since I already assigned the internet, I will show you my from my device the internet when CMD. This is where I get the IP address and create a new one to the server. I choose the internet adapter VMware Next Station. This is I change it to 192.168.152 to 50. And for my our default gateway is 192.168.152.0. I will show you the internet. I already unchecked the Internet Protocol version 6. This is my IP address. 192.168.152.225.225.192.168.152. That is for my CCS DC00. When I changed my computer name, I select this and change CCS DC and change the name and CCS workup. Then click OK. That's when we restart the PC if we change the name. Also, when into the firewall, I use firewall because of for file sharing. Let me search the firewall. Go to the advanced security and go to inbound rules. Uh, Go to find the file sharing. Check this IPv4, ICMPv4, then uh, check it. Since I've already done, I will go to ping the CS CCS DC00 to CCS DC01 IP wait, CMD. Let's go to the CMD. Ping. Let me check first for the Google if it is okay. Ping google.com. This is the reply from Google. And ping 192.168.152.51. This is the reply from the other compute the other VM. Let me show you the other one. Let's check the connection. Internet. Let's go to the internet. Also, I've already done this by changing it to this is my IP address 151. Uh, I've manually I've manually typed it. I will show the internet. Mhm. Change adapter option so we can see the internet. Then I go to the properties. Uncheck also the internet protocol IP6. Then go to the properties of this. Then I assign the IP address to 192.168.152.51, and the default gateway is also 192.168.52, then 2. Same with the other one for the default gateway. And let's go to where I change the name for the PC. Home. Go to home, click the system, go to about, and name this PC. No, no, no. This is not the one. Advanced setting. Advanced system settings. Then I'll change the. I'll change here. CSDC 01 then work group CCS. Then click OK. This is where I tell you the PC will the workstation will restart when I click OK. Okay, and close. Start now. Let's go for the PCS DC2 log in. Mm, Uh, mm. Same with the CCSDC 000. I go to the internet to assign the IP address. My IP address here is 192.168.152.52. The system is a bit lag is already bit lagging. Same thing with the TCS DC 01. I uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6, then go to the properties of IP version 2. Then this is the IP address I already talked about you, the 192.168.152 and 52. Then also the default gateway is also the same. Uh, for the since I already mentioned the how I did the firewall, I also do it like this. Let me show you again. Firewall. I know. Advanced settings. Then go to inbound. Uh, f- uh, fi- find the file sharing IPv4. Since I already checked this, if you will enable the rule, and that's all. Let's go for the change name of the computer. Settings and system display. No. Let's go to about um, advanced system settings, computer name, change, PCS, DC, 02. So work group CCS. Then click OK. Done. Now let's start. Since the CCSDC02 is restarting, we will configure the CCS0 to the CCSDC1. One which CCS0. So let me ping the ping. I know. CMD. Since I already ping the from CCSDC00 to CCSDC001, now I will ping the CCSDC00 to the CCSDC01. So ping 192.168.152.50. So this is the ping from the CS00. Now we'll go to the other one. Now I will try to ping the CCSDC02. Ping 192.1 dot 92.52. Since the CCSDC02 is the IP address of the IP address of CO2 is 52. This is the reply from the other virtual. Then I will go to the CMD. I will ping both the CCSDC00 and CCSDC01. Ping 192.168.50. 152. 2.50. This is the reply from the CCSDC00. Now I will ping the CCSDC01. This is the IP address of CCSDC01. Okay. This is all the ping from the other computer CSDC01, 00, and for the CS02. That's all. Thank you.